How to get Grok 4.5. Grok 4.5 is XAI's flagship AI model. Here's how to get it safely on your computer. Start with signing in with your X account, Google or email. Grok is limited to X Premium subscriptions. So go to grok.com in your Chrome, Edge, or Safari. You can also install it as a progressive web app for desktop. Now from here, to be able to upgrade your plan, click on your profile at the bottom left and then select Upgrade Plan. So as you can see in here, free tier gives limited queries, Super Grok Lite unlocks faster responses, while Super Grok offers full 128K context and advanced features. So once signed in, you can access Grok directly in X Sidebar or via the Grok app. Features include deep search, think mode, image or video generation, and voice chat. Grok has no official desktop installer. Any downloads outside grok.com or app stores are unsafe. Getting Grok 4.5 is easy through X, grok.com, or mobile apps. Start free, upgrade if you need unlimited access.